We started already the program. We actually did two things. We started the program and we transfused some of our patients. And also we created a site where people who are recovered from COVID-19 to come and sign up to this website and see if they are interested in donating plasma. And we were overwhelmed by the number of people that are really wanted to donate their plasma, do good, help other people. That was really amazing.
Since the Food and Drug Administration made COVID-19 plasma infusions available to hospitals as a clinical trial, some hospitals are seeing positive results. Dr. Dima Dandachi is an infectious disease specialist at MU Healthcare in Columbia and brings us up to speed on how this 100-year-old plasma transfusion practice is coming along.
We don't know whether it's going to work for the coronavirus or not this time, but we are kind of hopeful that it should be the same or should be similar. So we're hoping that we could do it this way, and the FDA has given us the approval to do it under expanded access. And we partnered with other hospitals under the lead of Mayo Clinic as the main institution.
And then do you have to have certain criteria in order to receive the plasma?
Yes. So because it's still under clinical trial, it's always good to think about risks and benefits. Anything we do has some risks in it, right? So that's why with the qualification for someone to receive the plasma, they should be really sick. So they should be really in a critical condition or life-threatening condition, and we give them plasma as a last resort where under a clinical trial, we would say, okay, here probably the benefits outweigh any risks.
Are you finding any problems with this plasma clinical trial process?
The main problem in the convalescent plasma is actually the availability, right? Because so people had to recover to donate their plasma, have symptoms free for a certain period of time, and then be able to collect their plasma and give it to someone else. So it was a huge demand, but really the supply was very limited. And that's why what we hope people to donate their plasma if they can.
Can you talk about donors and blood types you guys are seeking?
There are people that are receiving the plasma and people who are not receiving the plasma for different reasons. For example, you have to have the same blood group to be able to get the plasma. So sometimes we do not have a plasma that matches the patient. And these people are not receiving plasma, and this is how we would be able to compare, the group who received plasma versus the group who did not receive it. So just a chance, if I'm, for example, A positive, the chance is lower to find any plasma that someone who recovered or someone who recovered with A positive. You know what I mean? So that's kind of just the availability of the plasma from different donors.
And in closing, what's the most important message you want to get out there about these plasma clinical trials?
I think the most important message I wanted to get out today is that we won't be able to transfuse convalescent plasma for people unless people donate. That's kind of the main important message. So if you are someone that recovered in a good, health and wanted and willing to donate plasma, we have a website where people can sign up to and put their names and contact information that we can reach out to them, or they can sign up also to the American Red Cross website directly. They cannot walk into the Red Cross and say, we will donate plasma. They have to sign up because they have to also meet certain criteria to be able to donate plasma. Not everyone would be able to donate plasma. So the American Red Cross and us we find what is this criteria? Are they fit to donate? And we arrange that.
For more information about plasma donations, you can go to our KMZU website. For KMZU News, I'm Glenn Fuselier.